Technology has improved drastically since the dawn of civilization. From manual labor to using tools that assist us, such as tractors and machines. Ever since the 19th century, the growth of technology has been exponential. Computers and the internet has changed from being a luxury to being a basic commodity now. Improvement in chip manufacturing has allowed us to make microscopic CPUs and storage devices. No more books, no more floppy disks that can hold megabytes of data. Now, hard drives and solid state drives have terabytes of capacities to store data. Cloud storage has changed the way we save our files now. What is next then for humans? Virtual reality? Space exploration? Artificial intelligence? It's only a matter of time. However, we need the Earth for the development of technology. Pollution. It's destroying our planet and us along with it. We are finding solutions along the way: green energy, electric cars, waste reduction, and so on. Scientists and entrepreneurs are making efforts to find better ways and alternatives to reduce pollution. A greener Earth is a brighter future for us and our race. Just imagine the future. What would technology be like?